The next question comes from Jose. How do you approach mixing toms that will cut through the mix? So, assuming the toms sound halfway decent already, the main tool that you're going to be using is EQ. I like to use a resonant high pass filter first, and resonant means that there's a little spike at the cutoff frequency, the corner frequency of that filter. So it's cutting everything below, but it's also boosting right above. So I'm just finding the note where that drum kind of really resonates, usually the lowest note, or the note that it's tuned to. And so I just sweep that a little bit, and it's gonna be around 100 Hertz, maybe lower. When I find that frequency, I then make a fairly aggressive cut right above that, fairly steep, and that will make the drum sound bigger. It kind of depends on the genre, but I think we're talking metal drums here, and so you want like a big boom, and you want stick attack. So if you've already done a high shelf to accentuate that stick attack, you want to go to some dynamic control with a transient shaper. So increase the attack, cut the sustain a little bit, and that's going to really help cut through. If that doesn't have quite the hard edge that you're going for, try a clipper after that, which will just flatten the waveform out the transient.